How to fix Zenless Zone 0 lag, low FPS drop or shuttering. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix these issues. So in order to fix these issues, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply check for your system's requirements. So make sure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Zenless Zone 0. You can find these on the game's official website or store page. Then you just have to check the network optimization. For that, a wired Ethernet connection is always more stable than Wi-Fi for online gaming. So if possible, you need to connect your PC directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. You need to ensure that your internet connection has enough speed and stability for online play as well. Then you just have to do some software optimizations. For that, you just have to update your graphics driver. So outdated graphics driver can cause performance issues, so you need to update your Nvidia, AMD or Intel graphics driver to the latest version from their respective websites. You will have to close the background applications, so close any unnecessary programs or background applications running while playing Zenless Zone 0. You can even do some Windows settings, so you can adjust some Windows settings for better performance. This might include setting power mode to high performance and disabling unnecessary startup programs. You can find guides online for optimizing Windows for gaming. In game settings, you can even do some of the game settings, like you can adjust the graphics settings and you can even limit the frame rate. You can even try to restart your PC, because sometimes a simple restart is able to fix the glitches that you might be facing in your game. You can even verify the game file, so you can use the game launchers option to verify the repair game file. This ensures all game files are installed correctly. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.